Today we have a 2005 Kia Turn 15LMS with a FANUC 0 ITB control. Machine has live tooling and a subspindle. It's got a tool presetter, 16C collet on the main, 5C collet on the sub. Let's run her. That's 500 RPM. 1500 RPM. That's 2500 RPM on the main spindle. All right. We'll run the subspindle now. Machine will come equipped with the tool holders you see mounted to the turret, which includes 3 live holders. That is 1000 RPM. Going to 2000 RPM on the sub. 3000. It's nice and quiet. All right. We're going to do C-axis on the main. All right. We'll run the live tool now. That's 500. That's 1500. That's 2500 RPM on the live tool. All right. As you can see, the machine is missing the turret way covers. Okay. There we go, turret index. Z sounds good. So does X. And B. Okay. Machine can be inspected in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching the video.